Coming live from Merida, Mexico, this is Amputee Adventures.
Buenos dias, everybody. Well, it's about just a little bit after 8 a.m. in the morning, and gonna go out into the bank, get some pesos, and try out this new cafe I found. Saw somebody post a thing about some pancakes, and it looked pretty good. So it's only a few blocks down. So yeah, I'm gonna try that out. See what it's like. Show you what the pancakes are. It's supposed to be really huge pancakes. The guy said he couldn't. He got one stack of 3, and he couldn't finish one. So we shall see what it's like. It's kind of hazy morning. It's going to be kind of wet today. So we'll see how it goes. Buenos dias. That's my water guy. He brings water. I get those 10-gallon jugs delivered daily. So, anyways, yeah. So we'll see what this breakfast place is like. So let's go. Okay, everybody. Well, I found the place. It's called Choco Cafe. So we're gonna go in here and see what we got. It's right here on Paseo de Montejo. Oh, it's kind of bright there. Sorry about that. Yeah, it's Paseo de Montejo, right on the corner of 45th and Paseo de Montejo. Got one big building on the corner, and then right next to it, Choco Cafe. So let's try it out. And so for breakfast, they have chiquilites, hotcakes, tortilla de maya, tamales, moletes, plato de fruta, puncha con jamón, avena con mango, and then drinks are chocolate frappes, smoothies, jugos, cafe frappe. And I'm about to go in here in this little station, but yeah, they also have the traditional chocolate, chiliques de la chocolate, postres, jugos y aguas, smoothies, tortas de chilaquiles, licuadas. So I'm gonna try this out.
Hey, I'm Tim.
Hey Tim, how you doing, man? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that was ironic. Just was coming in here, and that was the gentleman that I saw post about this place. So yeah, so he said, yeah, you'll love the pancakes. They're literally that tall. That was 3. I couldn't finish them all. But yeah, so we're gonna try those out. But yeah, here's the menu. Choco Chocolateria Cafe. Get the breakfast menu. All the different things. And yeah, those are in pesos. Those aren't dollars. And you get the different plates, eggs, and snacks and desserts. And from the bakery. And the other traditional dishes, and then also beer. Hey, beer. Might have a beer. The juices and the fruit drinks and the coffees, Americanos. That's only 39 pesos for an Americano. The other place charged me 40. Yeah. And then also you have the traditional chocolate, hot chocolate. I haven't tried a hot chocolate since I've been here. I may do that. I've already been copied out. Yeah. And this is the front of the place. And then we're right here on Paseo de Montejo at the corner of 45th. Calle 45. 45. Paseo de Montejo. So yeah. I wonder what should I get. Probably I'm gonna get those pancakes. Yeah, I'm gonna get the pancakes with the chocolate. So we'll see how it goes. See, I couldn't decide between the chocolate and the coffee. I definitely knew I wanted the pancakes with chocolate, but I also saw on the menu, well, that second one, they already took the menu away, but it had a chocolate cafe. So it's half chocolate with coffee. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. I just ordered the pancakes with the chocolate and the chocolate coffee, but sitting out here just enjoying the beautiful day and the canopy that I'm under. There's just a bunch of trees. There's a building behind me. But yeah, just a beautiful canopy of trees and kind of shades the whole sidewalk because you can see the sun hitting the sidewalk across the street. Yeah. Perfect location for a breakfast outside. Yeah. Nice little seating area. You can see all the people walking by. Yeah. Every now and then you get a bus. Oh, those are those crazy buses. I call them crazy buses. They're like 7 or 8 pesos. See, everybody's packed in there. I mean, it's standing room only, but you gotta stand 6 feet across. Oh. There's the other buses. Those are those Toyota buses. They're just as bad. But yeah, only like 7 or 8 pesos to get on those things. Yeah, just enjoying the day before I get my coffee and my pancakes. Almost looks like my coffee's gonna tip over, but no, that's the tablecloth. Fresh brewed coffee, yeah. And yeah, when the police have the lights on, it doesn't mean they're chasing somebody. That means just they're available to help anybody. It's amazing, yeah. Police out here, they help people. They're not like the U.S. Gracias. Yeah, this is the coffee chocolate that they mix up in there and pour it in here. It's nice and frothy. Let's try it out. That's good. Yeah. Pretty much almost like what you normally would taste in hot chocolate, but more body to it. So yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. All I can say is OMG. Get out of there, fly. I mean, look how big that stack is. This is my coffee cup. It's as tall, 3 pancakes are as tall as a coffee cup. And I also got some honey and syrup there, but I'm gonna try it with this is their chocolate. You gotta use it quickly because it, oh, I'm sorry, I can't even show you. You gotta use it quickly because it hardens quickly. I don't believe this is Nutella. Alright, that's enough chocolate. Yeah, time for some honey. But look at that, ain't that good? Alright, now some honey over the top of it. Time to dig in. Yum. Look at that. Just show you. Yeah, it is cooked all the way through. It's almost like a big cake. Yum. Alright, well I tried. I got about halfway through it. I ate all the fruit, but it was just way too much. Way too much. I am stuffed. I even had to get a bottle of water. Yeah, definitely get a bottle of water with the pancakes. And if you do order the pancakes, make sure you have a big appetite. I didn't eat anything this morning except to have my coffee, and I am stuffed with half of those. But it was delicious. Yeah, I put the syrup and the honey over the top of them with the chocolate. And yeah, definitely they're gigantic portions. I don't think I could eat a whole stack of pancakes. Next time I think I'll just get an egg breakfast. Anyways, yeah, let's go walking around after this. Busy streets of Paseo de Montejo. Yeah, I parked myself in this little bench here. Yeah, benches pretty much everywhere along Paseo de Montejo. In front of this beautiful colonial house. But yeah, just thought I'd sit here for a while and enjoy the traffic of Paseo de Montejo. This is the right, I believe it's 47 and Paseo de Montejo, pretty much where it ends. It's a big roundabout there. And I'm not sure what they're doing. They have a generator going for something. I don't know if they're going to do some work on that or what. Anyways, yeah, this is Paseo de Montejo with the bike lane and nice drive. Oh, there's one of those Cushman carts. This is what I want to get. Let's see if he'll go this way. He's probably going to go straight. But that's well, yeah, that's what I want. One of those. You need to have a license to drive one of those here. Anything that's motorized, you have to have a license. Yeah. So just sitting here and enjoying the day. Hope you guys enjoy these videos. This is paradise. Yeah, it is paradise out here. I should do a cost of living because everybody is different. Everybody's unique and have unique needs. You know, one way you can save is with cooking yourself and yeah, I should do a cost of living episode of what it costs me to live out here. Been here 4 months, so I have a good breakdown of monthly cost average of what it costs. So maybe I'll do that. Yeah, that's a good idea. What do you guys think? Should I do one or not? Anyways, yeah, just enjoying the beautiful day out. It's probably like 85 and bright and sunny. A few clouds up in the sky, but not much. But yeah, humid a little bit, but beautiful day. Can't ask for anything better. Yeah, and a big pancake breakfast. Oh my gosh, Wow, that was way too much. I'm sugar overloaded with the hot chocolate coffee and the pancakes with chocolate. Yeah, that was way too much. Way too much. So let's enjoy the day. Yeah, I love these houses that they have, these colonials.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all your support and all your comments. And if you would like, buy me a taco. Have a great day.